So what's up, guys? Today we have the Road King up here, our stepdads. We're gonna open up the
on the other side, Ken.
Get there. Yeah. Chain tensioners.
For what?
Cams. Cam
Okay.
tensioner. Cam tensioner.
Cams.
Yeah,
Cam
that's the word I was looking for.
Cam chain tensioners.
Yeah. Alright, so it's better in there. So that needs to come off. That needs to come off. That needs to come off.
So does the other one.
Yeah, and hopefully that doesn't have to come off and come down through here.
Yeah, so we're hoping the front one is the only one that's bad, because they were saying the back one usually doesn't get as much wear. But you gotta take the back one off. You gotta take all the push rods and the heads and gas tank and seat and all that.
Yeah. So once we get in there, we'll decide on what we're gonna do. So let's get it.
So to start, gotta get the right size wrench there, Cannon, and get it to focus back there.
At least this side you can do a socket.
Yeah, it won't focus back there. There we go. You got one back there. You got one up here.
Up or down?
And then you got two on this side somewhere, one there and one over there somewhere. Oh yeah, you got
Which is missing.
you got the mount.
You got another one.
Oh, that one's missing, so that one should be easy. And then you got the mounts over here as well. And then how do you get this side of the exhaust off, Ken? Is that a fitting right here? It looks like it. So actually, don't even have to take this side off. You just take the fitting apart here, right here, with that, and then the exhaust should all pull out on the right side of the bike. Let's see if Kanan's getting anything done over here. Sick logo, isn't it? Huh, Kanan?
That's nice.
You doing? You getting it done?
Yeah.
You want help?
An inch turn at a time.
Okay. I'll start on the other one and cut you guys in later. So we got the exhaust off, and for the footboard, all we did was end up taking those bolts out and then push down this, because it's kind of hard to get back here to this Allen back there.
And we don't have the right size.
And we don't have the right size in just the Allen. We have the right size socket, just not the regular Allen. And like I said, the exhaust came out of there, so we didn't have to take that whole end off, which made it easy. And the bag's off, and so now we're gonna move to the cam cover and go from there. Ready?
Yep.
Set go. So, found out that it's already been changed to a gear drive setup. So we're not gonna need the chain tensioners because there's no longer any chains. And we wanted to find out also if it had cam work, motor work, whatever you want to call it. Because usually if you change those, you're gonna change cams. If you change cams, you put adjustable push rods in there. So we found out that we don't need to do any work here. So just in case everybody was wondering, that's where we're at now. But if you do need to change your cams, tensioners, the tensioner will sit there, push against the chain that drives that, if it's not gear drive, obviously. And then there'll also be one right back there.
Right here. On the back side.
Yeah, which will sit in that hole. And to do all that, you have to take all your stuff apart. So if you have to go that deep, you might as well just dig in your pockets, change the gear drive, adjustable push rods, change your cams, and then put it back together, because then you don't have to worry about it again. But that's what we found. Gear drive.
Go.
All right, everybody. Got that done. As you can see, we found what we found. It's pretty self-explanatory to put it all back together. A little more things to do on this before the weekend's over, but this will be the end of the video for now. I'm not sure when it's going to be put up. Hopefully next weekend, which will be today when it's put up. Catching it? No? You're supposed to laugh.
Oh.
Alright. Well, anyways, make sure you hit up the website, get you some merchandise, help support us and doing all our fun projects, keeping the videos coming for you guys. Again, we're sorry you missed the 2 weeks. It's been busy. The warm weather is coming. Everybody wants to do something, and work is getting busy for everybody. But anyways, we're back. And yeah, catch you guys next time.